In the small town of McKenzie, Tennessee, the bell tower of McKenzie College stands shrouded in mystery. Legend claims that during a fierce storm, a young couple met their tragic end when they fell from the tower, their love unfulfilled. Ever since, students and staff have reported hearing faint whispers and the sound of bells ringing at odd hours, even when no one is nearby. One chilling encounter recounted by a night watchman involved a spectral figure that appeared to him, beckoning him to leave the area. Today, the bell tower stands not just as a symbol of education, but as a haunting reminder of a passionate love story left unfinished.